Paying bills with QuickBooks Online. In this video, I will show you how in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to quickbooks.intuit.com and log into your business account. Step 2. On the left sidebar, click on the Expenses button and then choose Vendors. Step 3. Click the vendor you want to pay, and then find the bill that you want to settle. You can also create a new bill from here if needed. Step 4. Inside the bill, hit the Make Payment button, and a new window will pop up for payment options. Step 5. Select the bank account or credit card to use for your payment, and then confirm the amount, date, and reference number. Step 6. After reviewing the details, you can click Save Address or Save and Close. And then the bill will now show as paid in your records. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.